Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. Once again I am your Oniri ma'am and today hello friends. Okay. Once again I am your Oniri ma'am and today I am going to deal with your grammar topic transformation of sentences part 4. In this uh, I am going to discuss some rules how to change your affirmative sentences into negative. I hope it will help you to transfer your sentence successfully from affirmative to negative. Yes, transformation of sentences part 4, how to change or convert your affirmative sentences into negative. So these are the basic rules on which you have to focus and you will be able to change your sentences. Yes, after go through this video you have to practice this all types of sentences at your home. It will give you a good uh, recognition how to change it. It will create your it will build or create your confidence. So I hope you all do according that. Yes, to change affirmative sentence into negative. Rule number 1, only, alone, merely, they are replaced by none but, the person, nothing but, at the nothing but you have to write the things, not more than or not less than in a number. Okay, for example, only Allah can help us. So Allah, none, about person, so none but Allah can help us. Okay, none but Allah can help us. He has only a ball. He has nothing but a ball. Here you have to put but. Okay, so it will help you to make your sentence meaningful. He has only 10 taka. Okay, he has only 10 taka. He has not more than 10 taka. Okay, so he, now percentage or the taka is in number, so not more than or not less than you can use according to the need of the sentence. Rule number 2, must is replaced by cannot but or cannot help plus verb plus ing. For example, we must obey our parents. So we cannot but obey our parents, or we cannot help obeying our parents. If you can, we cannot help using, then you have to put v for verb plus ing, or if you are cannot but, then the main verb and the similar. We cannot obey our parents similarly, or we cannot help obeying our parents. So cannot help you are using, then you have to use verb plus ing form, or there you have to use this cannot but, and the rest of the sentences is same. Rule number 3, both and replaced by both and. This is the pattern of sentence. Both and replaced by not only but also. Both Dolan and Dola were excited. Not only Dolan but also Dola were present or were excited. Okay, so you can do with the same. Rule number 4, and if joined two words replaced by not only but also. He was obedient and gentle. He was not only obedient but also gentle. So and should be replaced by not only but also. Now everyone, everybody, every person, every plus common noun, all replaced by there is no plus attached word plus but. There is no plus you have to write the attached word and but. For example, every mother loves her child. So for example, everyone or everybody or every person, every plus common noun, all replaced by there is plus no plus attached word with the every and but. So there is no mother but loves her child. So there is no plus mother is attached with every. So there is no and mother is attached with every. So mother is attached word mother but then loves her child. Similarly, there is no mother but loves her child. Sometimes don't go with the meaning because it will not match. You have to follow the structure in grammar only. Rule number 6. As soon as replaced by no sooner had as then. As soon as replaced by no sooner had then. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. Negative. No sooner had the thief saw the police, he ran away. So you have to just change the place of as soon as with no sooner had, and the rest of the sentences will remain same. Rule number 7. Absolute superlative degree is replaced by no other plus attached word plus so plus positive form plus as plus subject. So absolute superlative degree replaced to no other attached words so plus positive form plus as plus subject. For example, Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. So now no other attached word, no other city is as big as Dhaka in Bangladesh or so big as Dhaka in Bangladesh. Okay, word plus so plus positive form. No other city is so big as Dhaka in Bangladesh or as big as Dhaka in Bangladesh. Rule number 8. Sometimes affirmative sentences are changed into negative by using opposite words before the word. Of course, not is used because you are making it a negative. I shall remember you. I shall not forget you. So remember, opposite is forget, shall plus not, and the other is remain same. So I shall remember you. I shall not forget you. Rule number 9. Always. Always replaced by never. For example, in affirmative, Ravi always attends the class. Now, Ravi never misses the class. Okay, because we never change the meaning. So, attends, he always attends the class means he never misses it. So, miss the class or misses the class. So you have to remember that you have to also use these opposite words too. Rule number 10. To replaced by so that plus cannot or could not in past. He is too weak to walk. He is so weak that he cannot walk. He is at place of to we use so weak. At the place of to we use that plus subject plus cannot, and the other word is same. He is so weak that he cannot walk. 11. As replaced by not less than. Simi was as wise as Rimi. Simi was not less wise than Rimi. The meaning is same, that Simi is as wise as Rimi, means Simi and Rimi are both are equally wise. While here in this, Simi was not less wise than Rimi, means Simi is also equally wise like Rimi. So both the things are the same, meaning is same. Rule number 12. Universal truth are changed by making them negative interrogative. Universal truth are there, and if you want to change it, so you have to make them negative interrogative, not a simple negative. You have to make it negative interrogative. Okay. The sun sets in the west. Doesn't the sun set in the west? Okay, so here I forgot to put interrogation mark, so interrogation mark should be there. So doesn't the sun set in the west? Okay, negative interrogative you have to put. Doesn't the sun set in the west? The sun sets in the west. So doesn't the sun set in the west? Okay, so this is how you can change universal truth, by making them negative interrogative. Okay, sometimes replaced by not plus always. Ravan sometimes visits me. So Ravan doesn't always visit me. So sometimes is placed by not plus always. So does not. So Ravan does not always visit me. Rule number 14. Many replaced by not a few. I have many friends. I do not have few friends. Not a few. So I don't have a few friends. Rule number 15. A few replaced by not many. So Bangladesh has a few scholars. So Bangladesh does not have many scholars. As you all know that do does is needed while you are changing your sentence in a negative according to tense. Do does and did is there to make it negative or interrogative. That's the simple rule you have to remember. Like Bangladesh has a few scholars. So Bangladesh does not have many scholars. Not many. So has become have. And does not here has as a meaning of to have someone or something. It is not as a form of to have form. Okay. So Bangladesh does not have many scholars. Rule number 16. Much. Much is replaced by a little. He belongs much money. Negative you have to do. He does not belong a little money, because negative we are changing. So not and negative should be there. So he does not belong. He belongs to this. He does not belong a little money. Much replaced by a little. He belongs much money. He does not belong a little money. Meaning are same. And last rule, rule number 17. A little replaced by not much. A little replaced by not much. For example, Dolan has a little riches. And Dolan does not have much riches. Okay, Dolan does not have much riches. Dolan has a little riches. Dolan does not have much riches. So this is how you can put your sentence, you can convert your sentence into negative. So you have to follow this rule, you have to remember these rules, and it will really help you to. So this is how it will help you to convert your sentences. This rules, if you try to recall and remember this, then it will definitely help you. You will gain full marks because it is a grammar portion, so you can obtain full marks. So please try to remember this rules, and yes, practice makes man perfect. So please try or please practice this kind of sentences from your textbook. It will really help you. You can use some reference books also which can help you. Online sources are there if you want to practice this affirmative negative sentences, so it will really help you. So do your practice as much as you can, and definitely you can get a grip over in this kind of transformation of sentences, and it will really helpful in your writing skills too. So I hope it will help you. Stay safe and keep practicing. Bye bye.